Welcome to our high-tech facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how processor chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
At this stage, micro-precision is achieved by etching billions of transistors using extreme ultraviolet light. Every single nanometer is tested under extreme conditions to guarantee zero defects. Final inspection ensures only the highest performing chips leave our facility for the world's computers.
And that's how processor chips are made. From a grain of sand to the heart of your computer.